HIKMICRO, welcome to IWA Outdoor Classic 2025. Hi everyone, we are live from IWA 2025.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, good to meet you. I found something pretty interesting in the app. It's a new feature that has just shown up for me, and now I can show my own hunting area that has been added to the app.
We're actually looking at the new HIKMICRO Falcon 2, and this has an amazing feature on the market, which is a shutterless technology. I would really highly recommend that HIKMICRO Falcon. It is absolutely amazing.
Technology is developing very, very fast, not just in the devices, but like in general in digital world. I personally think in 10 years we will have technology which is you cannot even think about right now. Our job is your requirement, giving you the best possible tool for your hunting experience to stay top of the notch. We just have to be the best. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much, and as we always say,